One of the things that we do is we go out and meet with our clients, not just find out about their requisition or their need from a technical perspective, but really find out what kind of person is going to work within this environment, within their business environment. So one of the things that we find really important is actually go out to the client site and get to know them and their team and find out what's important to them with this new person coming on board from a technical perspective and from a personal perspective. And it's from doing that intelligence, it's from talking to the people that are in that group, it's from going and actually physically seeing where this person will sit and seeing the people that this person will interact with on a daily basis that we're able to make that match. It's not just that we have a requisition on paper. We've physically been there, we've seen the environment, we've talked to the people, and we really know what kind of person is going to do the best with this company and who's going to be most successful from the client's perspective and also from the candidate's perspective.
We make a real effort to network within the community and meet people face to face, to meet people for lunch whenever possible. Because I find that when I meet people face to face and I'm able to discuss with them, I can get a real keen understanding of what will work for them, what it is that they're looking for, and which of our clients they will be an appropriate fit for in terms of their personality, in terms of their skill set, in terms of their experience level. From there, we're constantly networking. So when a job does open up, I am able to use our existing network and find that appropriate person that will meet the client's need, that will last as long as they need them there, and that will be happy in the position that we place them in. Once they are placed, we have a network here at Advanced Clinical that is always available to answer any questions they have in terms of payroll, in terms of any HR questions, benefits, anything.
My main focus is to ensure that our consultants on site have the best experience that they can. And that is where my industry experience comes to play. I can help solve issues that consultants may have when they're on contract, filling out timesheets, issues with their payroll. It could be something as simple as wanting to have a question answered about where they go on their first day. But I also do a lot of the onboarding process with regards to signing up their paperwork, contract negotiations, and matters like this. So the whole purpose for me being here is to ensure that our consultants have the best experience they can as an advanced clinical employee, and for them to know that they're an extremely valid resource for us as a company, but also to make sure that we provide them with the background to enable them to become the best at their job on site. So I'm here to help solve problems, but to make sure that they know that we are here to look after them.
In relationship to the rapport that I've had with the different members of the advanced clinical team, while I was both in placement and while I was working on other projects where advanced clinical wasn't a part of the hiring process, they kept in frequent contact, as frequently as I would agree to. So if quarterly was too often, then they would agree on a different time scale, but always made sure to let me know that, there's just the right opportunity. This position really fits your background, it fits your interests. They always seem to keep a running tab on where I am, what my likes and dislikes were in the past, and what I'd be looking for. So when a niche position would open up, I would get it in real time. And it made all the difference in this type of environment to be one of the first people on the ground and at the front of the door to a potential new hire.
The things I like about working with Advanced is that they're very much focused on building relationships, finding out where my interests lie, where my needs are as far as how far I'm willing to commute, what kind of indications I want to work in, what type of position I want to take, the intensity of the workload that I'm interested in working on at that particular point in time.
I've been very pleased to work with Advanced Clinical because I feel that they're very, very well connected and understand the industry, and they've helped me get into positions of increasing challenge, positions that in which I find the work interesting. So I feel like Advanced Clinical has helped me not just find the next gig, but help build my career.